So hi, I just created a construction website for your brand. So if you are a company who's a construction roofing, any sort of business, and if you are related to construction roofing interiors, then this website completely is for you. So I just created a complete brand website which consists of homepage, about us, services, pages, blogs, and etc. Okay. So now I'm gonna go through the entire homepage for you, so that will make your mind blowing within a few seconds. Let's get started. So if you have a look at the homepage, so this is the logo which I created, and homepage, about us, services, pages, and also blogs. You can add some blogs that will eventually help you in the SEO parts. Okay, so let's have a look at this page. In the front page at the hero section, I just added a video format. When it comes to your company, you can add your video, and also I just added how many clients you have worked with, how many years you have experience, those details, along with if this is exactly for a roofing company. So in US exactly people go for multiple choices of roofing companies. So this will definitely help you out. And when you come below, high quality roofing services, what are the services you provide inside your company to your customers, to your clients, that will be specified over here. And then the entire contact form. So this contact form will be redirected to your email ID. I think hope you got it. So then all those things are basic common things, and you can see the structure I just created in a format like people will automatically go through your entire website how it looks, because this is a entire professional looking website. I think this will blow your mind. Okay, let me know in the comments. Okay, so and you can add your team members. Obviously inside your company there will be a lot of team members. You can add all their pictures over here. Then I scroll down. This is a quite good animation, I think so. Okay, so there will be some Q&As, right? People have lots of questions to ask to you, so you can have two ways. Either they can call you and they can ask all their questions, and I will say you. Okay, in this website we have integrated two things. One, there's a contact form. Another, we can add a direct call to action, or people directly can get a quote from you, and the most commonly asked questions will be displayed here. Okay, then the services which you provide over here, how many clients you have worked with, multiple projects, success stories, all those things we can add, and what the clients say about you, all those reviews, testimonials can be added here. Okay, and the newest blogs, which is much more important when it comes to the SEO part, you can add multiple blogs over here, and the footer part. Okay, hope this website will stun your mind. I think so, blow your mind. Just let me know in the comments how it feels. If you are a roofing company or a construction business company, then this website, if you have this type of stunning professional looking website for your business, for your company, then there is no one can stop you from getting more leads and more conversion on your website. Okay, see you, bye bye. Next time I will come with another stunning website inside this YouTube channel. Bye bye.